I'm Ram, CEO of Daksha Unmanned Systems Private Limited. First and foremost, we would like to thank Anna University for giving us this opportunity to get into this technology. We are an exclusive MOU partners with them for manufacturing these drones. And today especially we would like to thank the Government of Karnataka, Honorable Deputy CM, and Team Sugardhana, Dr. Karthik, where we could prove the capability of what we are making. This concept derived with the help of Anna University. Being an university, you know, always university can develop, they have the brainchild to develop some product, and you need to have the capability to manufacture and bring it into the context to make it successful, to make it more useful to the country and the globe. It all started with, we worked with university when they were looking out for some startup support to get into the Indian Air Force for a project called Meher Baba. So we worked on that project with them, and we were very much, as industrialists, I was very passionate and I was very much interested to take this product because this is going to be a futuristic product and will be helpful in many ways. So what we are just doing here is, we want to get into more manufacturing of parts in the country. Currently we are at a 60 to 65% level, it's all being made locally, except for certain parts which which is technology which we are working on with the support of university. And basically this manufacturing, we have currently done about 30 units we have in hand. Of course it is in the university already, we have given it to them, and we want to expand it to into higher level. And at this time I would take the opportunity to mention that Daksha Unmanned Systems has got already license to manufacture a small quadcopter which is for surveillance and mapping under 6 kg category. We have the permission from DGCA to manufacture 1,000 units, and that will be very helpful for surveying of India. Likewise, this one will go for agriculture or COVID. COVID being a very drastic situation today in the world, I think this will be very helpful, and we look more and more participation with the help of Dr. Srinivas to cover Karnataka and with many others across the country, so that all of us can win over the COVID. And I would like to assure that Team Daksha is always available for the country to support any cause or any epidemic which is required at any point of time. Thank you.